everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter in our English grammar book. That is chapter 6, Gender. Do you know what is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. जेंडर क्या है? जिसे हिंदी में लिंग कहते हैं. जेंडर वो टर्म है जिससे हम मेल और फीमेल नाउन्स के बीच डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं, अंतर बताते हैं. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल रीड अबाउट 3 टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर. दे आर मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, फेमिनिन जेंडर एंड कॉमन जेंडर. बिफोर स्टार्ट द चैप्टर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल नो about masculine gender. The names of all male persons or animals are masculine gender. जितने भी persons और animals के male persons हैं, male animals हैं, उनके नाम masculine gender यानी पुल्लिंग में आते हैं. For example, man, uncle, king, fox, etc. Next, feminine gender. The names of all female persons or animals are feminine gender. सभी फीमेल पर्सन और फीमेल एनिमल के नाम फेमिनिन जेंडर यानी स्त्रीलिंग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वुमेन, आंट, क्वीन, विक्सेन. व्हाट इज विक्सेन? इट इज़ अ फीमेल फॉक्स. थर्ड, कॉमन जेंडर. There are certain names that can be used for both men and women nouns. कुछ certain नाम ऐसे भी हैं जो men और women दोनों के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. We can't say whether it is male or female. Okay? हम कह नहीं सकते, पता नहीं कर सकते कि वो मेल पर्सन है या फीमेल पर्सन है, मेल एनिमल है या फीमेल एनिमल है. For example, doctor, teacher, parent, student, officer. When listening to doctor, can you distinguish between male or female? No, we can't say. So, such types of names are common gender. Now start page number 23. Write the masculine or feminine nouns for the following: wife, husband; man, woman; tiger, tigress; cow, bull; aunt, uncle; bridegroom, bride. Exercise A. Now find the feminine form of these masculine nouns given in the box. Box में masculine nouns दिया हुआ है यानी पुल्लिंग नाउन, उसका फेमिनिन फॉर्म में लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लायन, लायनेस. यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस फेमिनिन फॉर्म. नाउ पेज नंबर 24 एंड एक्सरसाइज बी. राइट द फेमिनिन नाउन्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू द करेक्ट मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स. अंकल, आंट; मास्टर, मिस्ट्रेस; बैचलर, स्पिंस्टर; husband, wife; host, hostess; heiress; hero, heroine; bridegroom, bride; father, mother; gander, goose; bull, cow; fox, vixen; duke, duchess; policeman, policewoman; god, goddess; sir, madam. Now exercise C, common nouns. I hope you all understood masculine noun, feminine noun and common nouns very well. So students, exercise C, write these nouns in the correct columns. You have to do it in book. That is homework. In page number 25, columns as given, you can see. Now turn page number 26. Exercise D. Change the nouns in masculine gender in the following sentence to feminine gender. There can be more than one such nouns in a sentence. फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस में जो नाउन मैस्कुलिन जेंडर है उसे चेंज करके फेमिनिन जेंडर लिखना है। किसी किसी सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा भी चेंज हो सकता है। My grandfather, number 1, my grandfather went to a store that sells men's clothes. Right? My grandmother went to a store that sells women's clothes. Number 2, the king said that the prince would be the next ruler. The queen said that the princess would be next ruler. Number 3, his uncle and his father spoke to the doctor. His aunt and his mother spoke to the doctor. Here doctor is common gender, right? Number 4, the girl looked happily at the peacock. The boy looked happily at the peahen. 5, you will never see a lion and a tiger together. You will never see a lioness and a tigress together. 6, the cruel man shot the tiger. The cruel woman shot the tigress. 7, the hero of the film received an award. The heroine of the film received an award. 8, the man placed his order with the waiter. The woman placed her order with the waitress. 9, she is our headmaster's daughter. She is our headmistress' daughter. 10, the gentleman is well mannered. The lady is well mannered. 11, the men were praying to their God. The women were praying to their goddess. 12, the stallion jumped over the fence. The horse jumped over the fence. Now, today's homework, write exercise A, B and D in book and do exercise C yourself. Exercise C को books में ही बनाना है. Thank you.